Are you interested in exploring the power of machine learning and predictive analysis? Predictive analysis is a powerful tool that can help you gain insights from data and make informed decisions. Machine learning is the process of teaching a computer to take data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. Together, these two technologies are changing the way businesses and organizations operate. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of predictive analysis and machine learning and how you can get started with them. So before we continue, please like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our future videos. What is predictive analysis? Predictive analysis is a type of data analysis that uses existing data to make predictions about future events. It involves the use of various mathematical and statistical models to analyze data and generate insights. By examining patterns and trends in past data, predictive analysis helps organizations anticipate the likelihood of future outcomes. In the context of business, predictive analysis can be used to assess customer behavior, predict sales, identify risks and opportunities, optimize pricing and marketing strategies, and more. With predictive analytics, businesses are able to make decisions based on data-driven insights rather than just guesswork. Predictive analysis can help organizations make better decisions and increase their chances of success in a competitive marketplace. What are some common applications of machine learning? Machine learning is a powerful tool for predictive analytics, and it has countless potential applications across many different industries. For instance, it can be used to analyze consumer behavior to predict the success of a product launch, analyze healthcare data to improve diagnosis accuracy, and improve customer service through automated chatbots. In the financial sector, machine learning is used to develop more efficient trading algorithms, detect fraud, and identify market trends. Machine learning is also used in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and autonomous driving. In business settings, machine learning can be applied to many tasks such as marketing campaigns, customer segmentation, inventory management, pricing optimization, and demand forecasting. By analyzing data collected from past events, machine learning algorithms can make predictions about future outcomes and provide recommendations for how to respond to certain situations. Machine learning is also used in the field of artificial intelligence, where it helps machines understand the environment and make decisions based on that understanding. For example, AI-powered robots are used in factories to quickly and accurately assemble products. Other AI applications include self-driving cars, automated customer support agents, and virtual assistants. Overall, machine learning has tremendous potential to revolutionize many industries by helping humans make better decisions faster. By leveraging the power of predictive analytics, businesses can gain a competitive advantage by having more accurate insights into their customers and operations. So how can you get started with machine learning? Getting started with machine learning can seem daunting, but there are a few key steps to get you up and running. First, you'll need to understand the basics of predictive analysis and machine learning. This will involve familiarizing yourself with the different algorithms and techniques used to build models and analyze data. You'll also want to understand the different types of data that can be used in machine learning, such as structured and unstructured data. Next, you'll need to choose the appropriate machine learning platform and tools. The most popular platforms for machine learning are Python, R, and TensorFlow. Each of these has its own advantages and disadvantages, so you'll want to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll want to begin building models and analyzing data. You can do this by collecting data and running experiments. This will help you understand what works best for your specific problem. Finally, you'll want to evaluate the results of your models. This means looking at the accuracy and other performance metrics, as well as seeing how the model performs on unseen data. This will help you determine whether or not the model is ready to be deployed. By following these steps, you can get started with machine learning and start taking advantage of its powerful capabilities. What are some common issues with machine learning? Machine learning is a powerful tool, but it is not without its challenges. One of the main issues with machine learning is data quality. If the data used to train the machine learning model is not reliable or accurate, then the model may produce inaccurate results. Poor data can also lead to overfitting and underfitting of the model, which can reduce the accuracy of the model's predictions. Another common issue with machine learning is bias. This occurs when certain groups or features are given more weight in the training process than others, resulting in a model that is biased towards those groups or features. This can be difficult to detect and can lead to unreliable predictions. Finally, it is important to consider interpretability when using machine learning models. While machine learning models can often make accurate predictions, it can be difficult to understand why a prediction was made. This lack of interpretability can be a significant issue if the predictions need to be explained to a user or customer. How can I avoid these issues? When it comes to machine learning, there are certain issues that can arise if the data and algorithms are not handled correctly. To avoid these problems, it is important to take several steps during the development process. Firstly, it is important to ensure that the data used in your machine learning model is of good quality. The data should be accurate, up-to-date, and relevant to the task at hand. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the data is appropriately pre-processed to maximize the accuracy of your model. This may include removing irrelevant features, normalizing data, filling in missing values, or encoding categorical variables. It is also important to choose the right algorithm for the task. Each algorithm has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, so it is important to select one that will work best for your specific task. Additionally, it is important to test various algorithms to identify the one with the best accuracy for your model. Finally, it is important to tune your model's hyperparameters. Hyperparameters are settings that are adjusted before training a machine learning model. Tuning them can have a huge impact on model performance, so it is worth spending time optimizing them. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your machine learning model is accurate and well-tuned. Doing so will help you avoid any potential issues associated with machine learning models. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope that you found this information helpful and insightful as you explore the world of data science and predictive analytics. If you're interested in diving deeper into this topic, there are plenty of resources available to help you continue your learning journey. Online courses, books, and communities are all great places to start. Remember, the key to success in predictive analysis and machine learning is to stay curious, be persistent, and never stop learning. With the right mindset and resources, you can become a skilled data scientist and make a real impact in your industry. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring, experimenting, and learning today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content on data science and technology.